Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift, and today I'm here with TC. He's our sales manager at Williams Toyota Lift. And TC, we are seeing a lot of supply chain issues with our customers. Our customers are not only facing it on their end with not being able to get the raw product that they need to manufacture their equipment or their products, but they're also having problems getting equipment. And that's because raw products like steel and parts are having a hard time getting to where they need to go. What are our customers seeing in the industry? What are they facing out there?
They're facing supply chain shortages. The price of raw steel is going up. They can manufacture a lot of times all the way down to the last piece of their product, and then they can't get it out the door. So it's just causing the crisis to exaggerate.
Right. So how is this affecting the whole forklift industry?
It's all the way down to between engines, tires, parts. Everything is just harder to come by, or the price is just skyrocketing. So it's causing the strain on us and on them, but we're doing our best to keep them going.
So are we having a problem getting used equipment as well as new?
Used equipment market is very slim just because of the shortages all the way around. It's really one of those where the used is not available, the new is harder to get, so everything is just becoming lumped into that crisis also.
Sure. So what are we, Williams Toyota Lift, doing to help our customers through this shortage?
We're continually updating our website with used and new equipment. We're trying to get the customer to see the value in refurbishing their own equipment, just to keep them going, keep them in the warehouse, in the manufacturing facility, moving product for them.
We're also constantly trying to get new and used equipment here, and that includes kind of getting in the queue, right? We're kind of getting in line on new equipment?
Yes, with all of the price increases that we've seen over the last 2 years, really, we're trying to get those customers to get in the queue with a base order. That can lock in pricing. We can go back, we can change the specs of that unit to fit their need, but that also locks in the pricing, locks in their build slot, and gives them a tentative ETA for that new piece of equipment now.
In the forklift industry in general, I know every manufacturer is having long lead times. What are some of those lead times looking like?
I've heard anything from 60 to 70 weeks. Wow. That's well over a year. When I hear that kind of lead time, I'm asking, you do realize there's 52 weeks in a year, right?
Right. Wow. Yeah. So what can our customers do right now in order to have this affect them as little as possible?
Really, they can refer to some of our resources that we have on our website. 9 steps to keeping your forklift fleet in operation during this supply chain issue. They can also check our used listing if they're looking for equipment, the used and new equipment that's for sale on our website.
Yeah, we provide photos, we provide all the details of every piece of equipment that we have here, as well as walk around videos of each different piece of equipment.
Yes.
What else? So they can also be...
They can get onto a scheduled PM maintenance agreement where that's just periodic maintenance on your equipment. We'll keep it in operation longer. We may find things that could be detrimental down the road that we can replace or fix now. And we need to keep that equipment running since we're having the shortages of equipment and of parts, things of that nature. We just got to keep it going.
Okay. So what about some simple things like forklift tires? I've heard that forklift tires can really make a difference to how a forklift runs and how long it can run.
Yeah, customers, and I've heard throughout the years that they say, well, it still has rubber on there, but the manufacturer builds these trucks based on the wear mark of that rubber, and if it goes below that, then it can be detrimental to the bushings, the engine, the hydraulic system, the operator comfort. It really makes a big difference if they have the tires that they're supposed to at the size that they're supposed to keep that piece of equipment going.
And we have a tire expert here on staff that can come out to your facility, check your tires, and give you the honest truth about whether you need more new tires or if the ones you're running are okay. What else should customers do? Should they be thinking now if they need a truck in 2 years, or?
Absolutely. If they need something now and they're looking, or if they need something in the future and they're looking for an expansion, doing an expansion to their current facility, they could order now and possibly have that equipment by that needed time, or they can refurbish that equipment that they currently have to put into that new facility just to keep it going. The Toyota life expectancy is pretty crazy if you look at the lifespan of the equipment based on the cost of ownership.
Sure. What other brands? I mean, we don't just have Toyota. We have picked up another brand.
Yes, we have Toyota that we've had for 40 plus years. We just picked up a brand Healy forklift, Heli. So far, our supply chain on that has been going very well, and the customer reviews have been great on it.
Right. Are there certain types of forklifts that are more available than others?
Yes, diesel and electrics right now are probably the hottest that are more readily available than the LP units. Yeah, that's really where it's at, is the diesel and electric. It's a huge electric push right now.
Should customers be thinking about AGVs or maybe changing around their warehouse facility?
Yeah, if you have the warehouse management system that can take care of or accommodate the AGVs, the automated guided vehicles, that would be a great help. Even if you have personnel shortages, AGVs don't really need people to operate.
Right. How else can people tell us what kind of truck they're looking for?
On our website, there's a Find Me a Forklift tab. You can click on that, fill out the needed information, and then we'll get to searching. If you don't see it on our website, if we don't currently have something, we can find it.
All right. So in the end, what's the most important for our customers to know?
You can count on us. We're here to do what you need. We want to be the easy button for you. Anything from parts, service, forklifts, equipment, racking, all the way down to automated guided floor sweepers.
Right.
We can take care of it all.
All right, so there you have it. We understand that this is a very challenging time for everyone right now. And like TC said, we want to be your easy button. So if you have any questions, or if you're looking for particular equipment now, whether that's sweeper scrubber, whether that's forklifts, pallet jacks, we have been working around the clock to make sure that we are keeping our equipment in stock and ready for you. So give us a call at 1-800-435-2449 or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com.